Hi guys, today I'm gonna introduce you IoT smart door lock system that you can control using both a keypad and your smartphone. So basically we can unlock the door by entering a password or just tap a switch on your phone using Blink. The principle of our project is first we will input a password on the keypad for the user to enter, and we will input a switch in the Blink so the user can press. The process is the ESP32 will check if password is correct or not, or else it will read the command from Blink. The output of our project is the relay will turn on and off, so the solenoid lock can be opened or closed. The components that we use in this project are ESP32, keypad, OLED, buzzer, solenoid lock, relay 5V, and 12V power supply. For the pin connection, we will start it with a keypad, OLED, relay, solenoid lock, and power supply. And the last one is buzzer. Next, I will show you a condition when we're using a keypad. Is the user must enter 4-digit password. If the user entered the password correctly, the buzzer will align. Solenoid locks are locked for 5 seconds, then lock again. If the user entered password wrong, the buzzer will have longer alarm and access denied. For the condition that we're using Blink switch, if the user switch on, the door will unlock immediately. And if user switch off, the door will lock immediately as well. This condition has no delay here. We are using the time console. Here is an example of software coding part. I will start it with the Blink switch control. As you can see that this function runs when you press the switch in the Blink. The value is 1, the switch turn on, so the door is unlocked. Else, the value is 0, the switch will turn off, so the door is locked. Next example is the unlock functions in the keypad mode. As you can see that if the relay pin is high, it means the relay is turned on, the door is unlocked. And then delay for 5 seconds. Then the relay pin is low, so it means that the relay turned off, the door is locked again. Next is the buzzer feedback. As you can see that if the password is correct, the buzzer is high, so it will alarm in short beep. But if the password is wrong, the buzzer is low, so it will alarm in long beep.